So I want to start by saying it's not uniform and it doesn't only move in one direction. The New Jersey legislature, I think, prides itself in the past 50, 60 years on being ahead of the curve in protecting workers' rights. And
Hmm.
we're talking here in the non union setting, although New Jersey also protects union workers' rights, but federal law really steps in mostly for that. But these are negotiations that happen between you and the company. The company could be two people, 100 people, 10,000 people, and the bigger it gets, the more difficult it is to negotiate with them. So New York, New Jersey, and many other states have been moving in the direction of what I have called, others have called pay equity, things that remove barriers to people not getting similar treatment based on race or age or gender or uh, sexual identity or those types of things. Now, at the same time that I'm saying that, we have other jurisdictions that are moving exactly the other way, who say things like we shouldn't be having certain conversations or we shouldn't be protecting the rights of people who are different from us. So I'm really talking about what I would call more progressive oriented jurisdictions. So New Jersey has done a lot to um, uh, produce better results for workers, even who are not affiliated with a union, as
Hmm.
far as being able to talk about how much do you make, Ken, as contrasted with me? Are we doing the same job? Is there a reason why two people coming in at the same time, one is making much more money than the other? Some companies, many companies, used to say to people, that's improper. Don't talk about that. If you talk about salary, income, it's a firing offense. New Jersey a few years ago said, no, it's not. How about saying things that are critical of the boss or the manager? Um, Used to be that was a firing offense. You wouldn't believe the things that the National Labor Relations Board has said in the past few years are actually okay to say about the boss, as long as it can be construed that it's in the nature of talking about conditions of work and the pay that people are getting. And if people express themselves even in very floral ways about the management, it's construed as free expression, basically.